Welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. If you're like me and you love pizza, then you'll also love a good pizza sauce. Most of the sauces that you can buy in the store have a lot of chemicals, preservatives, that type of thing in there. So they're not exactly good for you. This one here is very, very good. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and you will want it on all things pizza related. Let's get started. I'm going to start with 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Put that in our blender. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salsa, and a half a cup of water. And just blend it until everything is well combined. That's it. If you don't have a blender, you can mix everything by hand. I just like putting it in a blender because it does a little work for me. Ready to go. Pizza sauce. This makes enough for 1 decent sized pizza. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.